Hello and welcome to my January TPT product plan with me. I don't know about you, but I'm having trouble getting back into the swing of creating products, so let's get organized together. So for January, I'm going to be focusing on two type of resources: winter resources and resources for February, because this is going to be the year where I actually stay a month ahead in my shop. We're going to do this together. So, for winter resources, I'm going to be giving you ideas for winter classroom decorations pack. So, for me, I think decorations are always a good hit with the teachers. It helps welcome students back. So, you could offer a set of printable winter themed classroom decorations. This could be banners, posters, labels, and other visual elements that teachers can use to create a festive and engaging winter atmosphere in their classroom. This could also include a mural group project activity. So you could write a instruction packet on having students design different snowflakes on one piece of paper, and then together they can paint or paste or make a collage. It would be a great idea. One thing that I am doing is I'm doing a winter book list and writing prompts. So you could develop a collection of winter themed writing prompts for students. These prompts can encourage creativity and help students practice their writing skills. You can consider prompts related to winter holidays, snowy adventures, or seasonal activities. For me, what I did in my note to followers was I gave a couple of book ideas, and then at the bottom, I inserted my products, my winter theme writing prompts to give them additional activity ideas. And then finally, you can do winter worksheets. For me, I think winter worksheets are fun. You could do spot the differences. So you could have different mittens, and then one might have polka dots on it instead of stripes. You could do something fun like that. Coloring pages, it's endless. So I always think that worksheets are a good resource to use. Now we're going to move into February resources. Obviously, Valentine's Day, I feel like, is a great resource to make products for. So you could do Valentine's Day STEM challenges. So you could develop a series of STEM, which is science, technology, engineering, and math challenges with a Valentine's Day theme. These challenges could involve building structures, solving problems related to friendship, or exploring math concepts with hearts. And you can also develop a printable craft kit for students to create Valentine's Day themed crafts. This could include templates for cards, paper crafts, or simple DIY projects. And then you could provide step by step instructions and make sure the materials are easily accessible. Now, the next resource you could do is Black History Month. I feel like this is going to be an excellent resource to utilize. And we'll start with Black History Month biography project. So you could develop a comprehensive project that introduces students to influential figures in Black history. You could create biography templates, research guides, and presentation materials to help students explore and present the achievements and contributions of notable individuals. Now, one thing to keep in mind when you are doing biography projects, and especially for like Black History Month, think about how you can utilize female figures so that it can be utilized for Women's History Month. So that's one thing that I'm doing is I'm making sure that I can kind of have stuff that works for Black History Month and Women's History Month. So keep that in mind. And then you could also do a timeline of History events. I feel like that would be a great idea. And Then you can make it visually appealing. I honestly love Canva, and you could use Canva to highlight key events in Black history. They have tons of templates with timelines on it, and you can customize that to your own liking. So include important milestones and achievements as well as cultural moments. This resource can serve as both an educational tool for and a classroom decoration. Finally, you can develop a resource that combines art activities with Black history. So this could be coloring pages, craft projects, and art prompts inspired by influential Black artists and cultural symbols. This can provide a creative and hands on approach to learning about Black history. For me, I love art projects. Art is one of my favorite subjects. So I think that always going to art is going to be a great idea for the classroom. I hope that this video helps give you some ideas that you can make for the month of January. And I'm going to continue to do this series each month. I feel like everyone's giving me such great feedback on this series, so I'm going to continue on doing it. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button. This year, my goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers at the end of 2024. I also included some videos that I thought you might like. I will see you next week.